Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. Hello everyone, we welcome you on our Tech OS. Welcome back to your own technical channel with the newest news from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy A22s 5G with Dimensity 700 chip is launched in Russia. The A22s 5G comes with the name from A22 5G, and this phone is going to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset for the 5G variant, and we are going to see this rebranded phone from Samsung in Russia right now. Galaxy A22s 5G is supposed to feature a 6.6-inch TFT LCD display with the 90Hz refresh rate, and this is the one of the best variant of this phone, and it's rebranded from A22. So you are going to see a 5G newer verifications for this phone. This phone is supposed to come in three color variants, and we can see some of its variant in this picture. Galaxy A22s 5G to feature a water drop notch and a 29 aspect ratio. Samsung to continue its triple camera setup in this phone, and the phone is coming with the 48 megapixel primary camera. If you love selfies, you are going to disappoint with the 8 megapixel front camera, and the secondary camera in rear camera setup is the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the third camera is the 2MP depth camera. We can expect a 4GB RAM with the two variants of memory options with the 64GB and 128GB. So we can see three variants here for the phone, and the phone comes with the 15-watt charger. This phone to include all the juice Samsung want to present to you with Android 11 OS on UA 3.1 with 5000 mAh battery.